Hello guys, welcome again. This is Tech PBM. Thanks for joining me. In this video, I'll take you through how to set Google Chrome as your default browser on your Windows 11 computer. So if you have a fresh installation of Google Chrome, when you open it for the first time, you see the Google Chrome isn't your default browser notification at the very top, set as default. You can click that, or you can click the three dots at the top right and then click set Chrome as your default browser. Alternatively, you can also search for default apps. Click on the default apps. From there, you can search for Chrome or Google Chrome under set defaults for applications. Click on the Google Chrome application and then go on from there. But I'm going to click the set as default inside the browser, and then automatically it will take us to the default apps window where we can click the set defaults to set Google Chrome as the default browser. So you can see that it automatically changed the default for some file extensions. So we have to change it for the rest of the file extensions by clicking on it, selecting Google Chrome, and then clicking set default. I will let Adobe Acrobat handle PDF file extensions, and then I'll go on and then set the other ones or the rest of them to Google Chrome as the default. So click on the file extension or the file, select Google Chrome, and then click the set default to change those file extensions to Google Chrome application. So from now, any web address or any web file you have on your computer, when you try to open it, it will automatically open with the Google Chrome browser. So I will test with these two web addresses. So I'll click on the first one, which is youtube.com, and you can see that it's automatically opened with the Google Chrome browser. Go ahead and then click on the next or the other websites or the web address, which is the Microsoft web address, and that too opened with the Google Chrome browser automatically. So yes guys, kindly subscribe, like, and share the video for more videos, and then I'll see you guys in another video. Bye for now.